What's up, SD Racing family, and welcome back to the channel. We hope you're doing well. Behind me on the dyno we have Jerry's GT350 Mustang. We've been working with Jerry here for a couple years, most notably on his Dodge Challenger. It's a built engine, cam, Pro Charge car, makes well over 800 horse, 800 foot-pounds of torque to the tire. We also did a cam and an avalanche for him, and now today we have his Mustang GT350 on the dyno. We just installed a JLT intake and Corsa long tubes, X-Pipe, and full exhaust system. These cars are very, very powerful from the factory. Ford did a great job on these engines. Those of you who don't know, the engine that comes in the GT350 is a 5.2 liter Voodoo motor, different from the 5 liter Coyote that's in the other Mustang GTs. Big difference on these is these can rev a lot higher, make a lot more power up in a higher RPM. 8,300 RPM redline makes a really sweet sound out of these cars when you ring them out. So we'll be tuning it today on HB Tuners. We'll see what we can get out of it. So we just got done tuning Jerry's GT350, made great power, did around what we expected. We're hoping between 470 and 500 horsepower to the tire, which is really good for a naturally aspirated car on a Mustang dyno. So at the end of the day, after we're done, we made 487 horsepower and 392 foot-pounds of torque. As you can tell from the video, sounds real good. Corsa is a great exhaust system. We recommend them for all cars. They're docile, cruising, light throttle, driving around town, and when you get down on the loud pedal, they get extremely loud. So hopefully Jerry enjoys it and has lots of fun with it. Well, thank you all for stopping by the channel and watching the dyno session with Jerry's GT350. If you liked the video, hit the thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please think about doing so. Share with your friends, and we hope you have a good one. See you again soon.